Hello everyone, welcome to Premema. Today we are going to discuss some important math problems on mixtures and alligation based on previous year questions of SSC. We will be solving these questions using speed matrix. So let's start our session. Our first question is, gold is 19 liters as heavy as water and copper is 9 times as heavy as water. In what ratio should these metals be mixed so that mixture may be 15 liters as heavy as water? This is direct alligation question. Gold is 19 liters heavy as water and copper is 9 times as heavy as water. Mixture of gold and copper. That mixture become 15 liters heavy as water. So 19 minus 15 is equal to 4 and 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. So simplify, when you simplify, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So 3 is to 2. That is, gold is in the ratio 3 and copper is in the ratio 2. So option B is your answer. Next is, how much tea at rupees 4 a kilogram should be added to 15 kilogram of tea at rupees 10 a kilogram so that the mixture be worth rupees 6.5 a kilogram. So there is type 1 tea and type 2 tea. Type 1 tea costs rupees 4 a kilogram, type 2 tea costs rupees 10 a kilogram. After mixing type 1 and type 2 tea, the mixture will cost 6.5 rupees a kilogram. Here type 2 tea is 15 kilogram, total 15 kilogram of type 2 tea. So we need to find out how much quantity is the type 1 tea kilogram. Type 1 tea in kilogram. So use the alligation method, that is 6.5 minus 4 is equal to 2.5. 10 minus 6.5 is equal to 3.5. Multiply it with 10, that means 3.5 and 2.5. So when you divide it with 5, 5 sevens are 35, 5 fives are 25. So 7 is to 5 is the type 1 and type 2 ratio. That means here type 2 tea's total quantity is 15 kilogram. So 5 part is equal to 15 kilogram. That means 5 into 3 is 15 kilogram. The same way 7 into 3 is equal to 21 kilogram. So type 2 tea is equal to 21 kilogram. So your answer is option D. Next is, a sum of rupees 6.4 is made up of 80 coins, which are either 10 paise or 5 paise coins. How many are coins of 5 paise? So you need to find out number of 5 paise coins. Here total number of coins is equal to 80 and total value of coins is equal to 6.4 rupees, that means 640 paise. Here total value divided by total number of coins will give you average value per coin. That means 640 divided by 80. That will give you 8 paise. So you have 10 paise coin here, 5 paise coin here. And average value of a coin, of one coin, average value of one coin is equal to 8 paise. So this is 10 paise coin, this is 5 paise coin. Average value of one coin is equal to 8 paise. Then when you use alligation, 10 minus 8 paise is equal to 2 paise. 8 minus 5 paise is equal to 3 paise. So 3 is to 2 is the ratio of 10 paise and 5 paise coins. That means total number of 5 paise coins is equal to 2 part divided by 5 part. Total part is equal to 5 part and number of 5 paise coins is equal to 2x part. So 2 part divided by 5 part into total number of coins is equal to 80. So 2 by 5 into 80 will gives you 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 6, 30. So 16 into 2, 32 is the total number of 5 paise coins. So option C is your answer. Next is, in a zoo, there are rabbits and pigeons. If the heads are counted, there are 200 and if legs are counted, there are 580. How many pigeons are there? So, in a zoo, total number of heads is equal to 200 and total number of legs is equal to 580. That means average legs per head is equal to 580 divided by 200. That will gives you 58 by 2, 29. 29 by 10, 2.9. So 2.9 is the average legs per head. Here this is rabbit and this is pigeon. Rabbits has 4 legs and pigeon has 2 legs. Average legs per head is equal to 2.9. So there are rabbits and pigeons. Rabbits has 4 legs, pigeon has 2 legs. And average legs per head in zoo is equal to 2.9. So this is the average value. Then if you take the alligation method, 4 minus 2.9 is equal to 1.9. 2.9 minus 2 is equal to 0.9. If you multiply it with 10, it will become 9 is to 11. So 9 is to 11 is the ratio of rabbits and pigeons. That means 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. 20 parts is the number of heads. That is total number of rabbits and pigeons. That means 200. So 1 part is equal to 10. If 1 part is equal to 10, pigeons number is equal to 11 part. So 11 part will become 110 and 9 part will become 90. So your answer is option B. Total number of heads means total number of rabbits and pigeons. Next is, a man has 60 pence. He sells some of these at a profit of 12% and the rest at 8% loss. On the whole, he gets profit of 11%. How many pence were he sold at 12% profit? So total number of pence is equal to 60 and some of these he sold at 12% profit. That means it is positive. And some rest is at 8% loss. That means it is negative. And the result of all these process is 11% profit. So he sold some pen at 12% profit and some rest is at 8% loss. And total 60 pence when he sold, he got 11% profit. So when you use alligation method, 12 minus 11 is equal to 1. 11 minus 8 is equal to 11 minus 8 is equal to 19. So 19 is to 1 is the ratio of number of pence he sold at 12% profit and number of pence he sold at 8% loss. So you need to find out the number of pence he sold at 12% profit is equal to 19 out of 20. That is, this is 19 part and total part is 20 into total number of pence is equal to 60. So 20 into 3 is equal to 60. 19 into 3 is equal to 57. So your answer is option D. Next is, a sum of rupees 41 was divided among 50 children. Each boy gets 90 paise and each girl gets 65 paise. Then number of boys is. So we have total number of children is equal to 50 and total sum is equal to 41 rupees. That means each children gets, that is average paise per children is equal to total number of rupees is equal to 41 rupees, that is 4100 paise divided by number of children 50. That means this will be equal to 82 paise. So each children get 82 paise. Here each boy get 90 paise and each girl get 65 paise and each children get 82 paise. So when you subtract 90 minus 82 is equal to 8. 82 minus 65 is equal to 17. So 17 is to 8 is the number of boys and girls ratio. Here we need to find out number of boys. So 17 out of number of boys is equal to 17 out of total number is 17 plus 8, 25 into total number of students is equal to 50. So that means 25 into 2, 50, 17 into 2, 34. 34 is the total number of boys. Option B is your answer. Next is 200 liters of mixture contain 15% water and rest is milk. The amount of milk that must be added so that resulting mixture contain 87.5% milk. So, old mixture is equal to 200 liter and that contains 15% water, that means it contains 85% milk. So here old mixture milk quantity is equal to 85% and new mixture you are adding is equal to new liquid you are adding is equal to pure milk. So milk quantity will be 100% because you are adding milk to the milk solution. Okay, then after adding milk to the milk solution, the resulting mixture will be 87.5% milk. That is, resulting mixture will contain 87.5% milk. So, the resulting mixture has 87.5% milk. When you use alligation, 87.5 minus 85 is equal to 2.5 and 100 minus 87.5 is equal to 12.5. When you cancel, 2.5 will goes 5 times in 12.5. So 5:1 is the ratio. Here you have to care about this because you don't need to add these 5 plus 1 parts. Whenever you add a new liquid to the mixture of solution, don't add these parts together because this 5 parts is itself is old mixture. That is 5 parts is equal to old mixture. Old mixture is 200 liter. So 5 parts is equal to 200 liter. Never add 5 plus 1. Never take 5 plus 1 because this is the new solution, new liquid, pure milk you are adding. 1 part. This is 1 part, the new liquid you are adding. This is the old mixture. So old mixture 5 parts is equal to 200 liter. That means 1 part is equal to 200 by 5 is equal to 40 liter. That is 1 part is equal to 40 liter. That means here 1 part new liquid is equal to 1 part, that is equal to 40 liter. So your answer is option C. Next is, in two vessels A and B, there is a mixture of milk and water. The ratio of milk and water in these vessels is 5:2 and 8:5 respectively. In what ratio these mixtures be mixed together so that ratio of milk and water in the new mixture become 9:4. So we have milk and water ratio. In the first vessel, it is in 5:2 ratio. In the second vessel, it is in 8:5 ratio. In the final vessel, that is after mixing first vessel and second vessel, there will be a new mixture that contains milk and water in the ratio 9:4. So we need to find out in which ratio this vessel 1 and vessel 2 should mix to get the 9:4 ratio in the final mixture. So take the to find out the ratio, take the total parts here. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 parts. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13 parts. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13 parts. You can see all these parts are unequal. So you need to make total parts in all these ratio. You need to equalize total parts in all this ratio. Here LCM is equal to LCM of 7, 13 and 13 is equal to 7 into 13. That is 91. So multiply first ratio with 13 because this is 7 parts. You need to make it 91 parts. 7 into 13 is equal to 91. So multiply it with 13. Here 13 into 7 is equal to 91. So multiply second ratio with 7. Because it is 13 parts, you need to make it 91 parts. So multiply second ratio with 7. Same way, third ratio is also, final ratio is also 13 parts. So multiply it with 7. Now you have equalized total parts in all these ratio. Now I am taking milk part in first vessel. That is 13 into 5 is equal to 65 is milk part in first vessel. 7 into 8, 56 is the milk part in second vessel. In the final vessel, that is final mixture, new mixture, 7 into 9, 63 is the milk part. So, use the alligation method here. In the first vessel, milk part is 65. Second vessel, milk part is 56. And final mixture, milk part is 63. This is milk. This is milk. Okay. Then 65 minus 63 is equal to 2. 63 minus 56 is equal to 7. So 7:2 is your ratio. Option A is your answer. Next is, in what ratio must water be mixed with milk costing rupees 12 per liter to obtain a mixture worth rupees 8 per liter? So here milk is equal to 12 rupees and water, question says nothing about water cost. So you can add 0. Then resulting milk water mixture will cost 8 rupees per liter. That means I'll use the alligation method. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So 2:1 is the ratio. Option is your answer. Next is, a milkman has two types of milk. In the first container, percentage of milk is 80% and in second container, percentage of milk is 60%. If he mixes 28 liters of milk of the first container and 32 liters of milk of the second container, then the percentage of milk in the mixture is. So you need to find out the percentage of milk in the mixture. In the first container, percentage of milk is 80% and in the second container, percentage of milk is 60%. When you mix these both containers, percentage of milk in the mixture is unknown. We have to find it out. I will take it as X. So 80 minus X will come here. 60 minus X will come here. You need to find out the ratio here. Here, you know, if he mixes 28 liters of milk in the first container, that is milk solution, 28 liters of milk solution in the first container and 32 liters of milk solution in the second container. That means 28:32 is the ratio that will come here. So 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. So 7:8 is the ratio. So 7 will 80 minus X, that is 8 will come here. 60 minus X, that is 7 will come here. So 7:8 is the ratio. So you need to find out the X here. So to find out X, X will be 80 into 7. 80 into 7 plus 60 into 8. 60 into 8 divided by 7 plus 8. This is your X value, that is weighted average. The middle number will be always weighted average. Weighted average is equal to 80 into 7 plus 60 into 8 divided by 7 plus 8. So your answer will be 560 plus 480 divided by 15. That will be equal to 1040 divided by 15. That is equal to 104 by 15 is equal to 6. 6 15 are 90. So 140 divided by 15 will be 9 and remaining 5. 50 by 15 is equal to 3. 15 by 16 is equal to 3. So 69.33. Option B will be your answer. You can also solve this question in ratio method. That is, in the first container, take the milk to water ratio. Milk is 80%. That means water is 20%. So 20 into 4 is equal to 80. So 4:1 is the milk to water ratio in the first container. In the first container, total parts. Total part is equal to 4 plus 1, that is 5 parts. And milk is 4 parts here. So in the first container, milk is equal to 4 parts. Milkman has taken 28 liters from the first container and 32 liters from the second container. And he gets 6, that means he gets 60 liter solution in the final mixture. That is 28 liters from the first and 32 liters from the second. Here 28 liters has taken from the first container, means 28 liters should have 5 parts because first container solution has 5 parts. That means if you take 28 liters from the first container, that 28 liters should have 5 parts. That means 1 part is equal to 28 by 5. Then milk in the 28 liter is equal to 4 parts. That is 28 by 5 into 4 is equal to 4 parts. 4 parts is equal to 112 divided by 5. Same way, in the second container, milk to water ratio. Milk is 60, water is 40. That means 20 into 2, 40, 20 into 3, 60. So 3:2 is the milk to water ratio in the second container. Here total parts is equal to 3 plus 2, 5 parts. And milk part is equal to 3 parts. And milkman has taken 32 liter from the second container. That means 32 liter has 5 parts. Then 1 part is equal to 32 by 5. Then milk in the 32 liter is 3 part. That is 32 divided by 5 into 3. That is 96 by 5 is the milk in the 32 liter. So total milk at 60 liter solution is equal to 112 divided by 5 plus 96 divided by 5. That is equal to 208 divided by 5. So in the final solution, total milk is 112 divided by 5 plus 96 divided by 5. So that means percentage of milk at 60 liter solution is 208 divided by 5 divided by total solution is 60 liter into 100. That means 208 divided by 60 into 5 is equal to 300 into 100. So 0, 0 cancel. 208 by 3 is same as 69.33. So your answer is option B. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe, share and like.